Good morning, Scout. Oh, so cute. Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog on my channel. Finally making another video. So I'm just going to be vlogging throughout my day today. I got a lot of stuff that I want to do. It's 8 a.m. right now and we have a vet appointment for little Scout over here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna go to Dunkin' and get some coffee right now. And yeah, I just wanna run errands. I wanna have like a super satisfying day of just like cleaning and organizing. Our room is just like, it's a mess because of this one. Yeah, so I just wanna organize, clean, make it feel a little bit more settled in here. And yeah, and then also put out some fall decorations because it's fall. Also, Scout has his own YouTube channel and he is killing it right now. So go subscribe to this adorable pupper. We're at Dunkin' right now. This is really horrible direct lighting, but then we're super dark over here. Oh, there we are. Steven's in there getting us our Dunkin'. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Hi. Order for Sydney?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna go nuts. We're at the vet, and he's a big 13.11 pounds. So it is sometime later. It is, what time is it? It's 1:30. Steven and I are going to go to Target. I want to get another nightstand. He got this one that we have from Target, so gotta get a matching one and put it right there because as you can see, I just like throw all my stuff on the floor and it's a lot more like inconvenient than one would think to not have a bedside table. So yeah, and it'll be great because it has a drawer and some storage, and we need storage in this place, let me tell ya. And then also I'm going to find out some kind of like organizing system for all of Steven's camera stuff because it's just thrown everywhere and you know, like that's expensive, so we need to store it adequately. And then also I need to go through our closet because it's overflowing. They have the nightstand. This looks heavy. Okay. I'm so strong. Let's go. Is that one good? That's okay. We came into Bath & Body Works to smell some candles, and they just happen to have buy two, get two free. I could not resist, so we got the buy two, get two candles. This is balancing on my pillows right now, but I'll show you guys what candles I got from Bath & Body Works. Hi, little Scout. We got mahogany teak wood and flannel. We also got cinnamon spiced vanilla and the stress relief one. And then I need to build this nightstand. So we are gonna bump some music. This is gonna be all fast-paced. Scout is trying to eat the candles. Yeah, I'm going to be Sid the Builder. Okay, I'm just about done with the bedside table and Scout literally has not stopped watching me since I started building this. Look at him just sitting there. You're so cute, Bubba. You're so cute. the finished product. I'm not too happy with it because I don't know what I did, but this is crooked right here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's going to annoy me. And so it's like making this not slide very well. So I don't know. I sat here messing with it for like another extra like 10 minutes, but whatever. Next, I want to organize this desk because it's driving me nuts. It gets very cluttered very fast, which is all of like Steven's camera stuff. So I brought this like Tuppermade drawer from my mom's house and gonna make some kind of organizing system. And I still got a little scout following me everywhere. All right, here is the after. Everything has a place and it's all in its place. We got all of Steven's things organized so they're not sitting up here. Feels good. All right, so it is 6 o'clock right now and I got a few things done on my little to-do list for today. Are you filming?
Nope.
Okay, good. I built that nightstand and I cleaned and organized Steven's desk, making it feel a lot like cleaner in here and dusted and everything. Yeah, and then I think tomorrow, which is Sunday, I am going to tackle the closet because there's a lot going on in there. But yeah, we're gonna make dinner. Hello guys, so it is Sunday, so it's just the next day. This morning, Steven and I went to breakfast and yeah, I got some coffee, got some breakfast potatoes in the system, feeling good, feeling great. And now it's just time to get along with the rest of my productive weekend. Reno, darling Reno, already vacuumed our living space, so I don't have to do that. But yeah, and I want to put out fall decorations. Here's the homies. And Reno wants us to film some like sour video, so we're gonna do that.
I'll show you the selection.
Ooh, yes.
You want to come into my domain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, stop! This is your man.
Oh, that's
it's not the dog. Are you doing it?
No.
Yeah.
I got them warheads. I got them sour spray.
Yes, yes.
And juice.
Juice. All the juice. We're gonna do a little sour challenge in between my cleaning and whatnot.
I was to have that. Okay, who wants to go first?
You.
I'm not going first.
This is your idea.
Yeah, this is my getting your guys' reaction.
Okay.
Okay, Steven.
Step on.
Okay, so back to home decor. I only have a few like fall-ish pieces to decorate since I've been living in apartments for like the last few years. So I have this leaf thing that like you put a candle in the middle of it. So cute, love it, festive. And then I just have these really cool marble pumpkins or just plastic pumpkins that I got from Target a few years ago from the dollar section. And then I've always had this little like mason jar vase, and then I just switch out these like the little foliage every season. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So for the little decor, I got these just like little pumpkins. I pretty much do this every year as well. Just get some like cheap little pumpkins from the grocery store. But I just did this. I mean, our place doesn't really have a lot of spots to put stuff. So I put those there. And then this on our little like makeshift bar cart. And then I just had this pumpkin left. It's on our like island in our kitchen. I didn't really know where else to put this. So we're like minorly festive. I still live with 3 dudes, so don't want to like vomit my girly Hobby Lobby stuff everywhere, but like enough to like feel the fall vibes, you know what I mean? Okay guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up this little weekend vlog here. I'm really sorry, it was kind of all over the place. I had a lot of things that I wanted to get done, but I also wanted to vlog kind of my productivity and how I spread everything out. So I built my nightstand, I cleaned up our entire room, organized Steven's desk, which already looks cluttered again. It's fine, I'm fine. Cleaned downstairs, put up fall decorations. It was a pretty productive weekend, like home-wise. I feel refreshed. You know, I'm very much a product of my own environment kind of person. So when I feel like very clean and organized, I feel like so much better. Like my mental headspace is just so much more clear. So I really needed this weekend to just like declutter. And right now, Scout's taking a little nap, but I'm posting items on my Poshmark because I went through my closet today. So make sure you guys follow me on Poshmark. So if you want to shop any of my items, I literally just put something up and it already sold. So make sure you go hop on it. I have so many things listed. But yeah, that's about it. Say goodbye, Scout.